What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to get Microsoft Authenticator 6-digit code. So right here on our Microsoft account, you're going to go over to the top right corner where you have your profile icon or your name. You're going to tap on it, and then you're going to come down to My Microsoft Account. You're going to click on it, and then right here, you're going to go over to the left side of the screen where you have some options. You're going to select Security. Now here in the security page, under account, you can see manage how I sign in. You're going to click on it, and then when you scroll down to the bottom, you can see add a new way to sign in or verify. You're going to click on it, then a pop-up of options will be displayed. You can click on use an app, and then here it says set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. So right here, what you're going to do is to select set up a different Authenticator app. Click on it. And on this page, you will see some steps to follow. What we need to do right now is to make sure we have the Authenticator app downloaded and installed on our mobile device. When you do that, you're going to open your Authenticator app. And the next thing you're going to do on your mobile device is to look at the top of your Microsoft Authenticator app. There will be a plus icon right there. So you're going to tap on it. And right here, you will have some other options. Please go ahead and select Other. So we're going to tap on Other. And this will open the QR code scanner on your Microsoft Authenticator app using your camera. What you need to do next is to scan the QR code on your Microsoft on your desktop. And when you do that, in a second, you're going to see your Microsoft Authenticator 6-digit code now in your mobile device. Anytime you need to get it, all you need to do is to open your Microsoft Authenticator app, and then you will see the 6-digit code. Take note that this is time-based and it will generate a new code every 30 seconds. It's best to copy the code at the start of the 30 seconds, which will allow you to copy the code and use it in another app as desired. And then next, you're going to copy the code from your mobile device and paste it into your computer for step number 4 to verify that the pairing was successful. After that, click on Next and the process will be complete. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.